Hi guys, and welcome back to Ep57 Industry, where I've done a couple of small changes. Oh, just check it. I just seen that symbol there. Wondered what it was. Research we're going to look at in a minute. Not actual research, getting the parts in. As you can see, they're waiting for. Are they waiting? Yeah, they are waiting for something. Lab equipment. No, you got lab equipment to its electronics. Right, we'll look at the electronics in a minute. We are getting plenty. This one I've just done a quick change because he kept having water full. And I need to redo all my water lines. They're a mess. I've connected that line, which is this one, into that output there. I have done a quick change here. This line here was going down this slope and down that way. I've changed it there and I've put 2, 3 on there. Food we need to look at. What I want to do, you notice they started to now put that slope in they're using there. So what I want to do is a quick bridge. Level 1 will do. I can go in there. Fuel should have coming in. The ship is ready for. Going to supply an oil rig. He is fully armed up now. He's at level 900. That I want to look at as well. Just getting a few bits and pieces sorted out. Where's the other one I wanted to look at? Is this. Water output is full. So we follow that line, which is that one. He's feeding there. Output is full. So if we put a temporary fix, because for some reason I've got too much water in my system. Which, with the way it's all connected up, I'm not surprised. We'll do a quick fix here. And this is a quick fix. Not enough Unity. Unity. Okay, well let that. Where was we? Get that made urgent, and we'll put a temporary fix. Feed him in. It is only temporary, that. And we'll take that section out after, because of our Unity. We get that built. That built. Can we get that done yet? No, we need 6 and we're down to 2. And you're going to be water. That's a temporary fix so I can sort my water proper. Next problem is recycling. This is getting too full, which is backing up everywhere. And if you remember, we put steel here, but we didn't put any recycle to him. So I want to address that now. So we'll put that in there. You're gonna go priority. Is it that one I did? Yeah. We're gonna copy that one to them. Now we're gonna get recycled to him. And this is going to be a little bit awkward. Should have planned it out better at the beginning, but like I said before, I now know I've got to add another 4 of them and more copper. Next time we play it, we'll plan for that better. So I want a can I get him? I want to get him. Not there. Let's take that snapping off a minute. Gonna come over that one. Oh, we could get him into that space there. No, that one. He's gonna be an awkward little one. Want him in. Let's try snapping on. See if I can get him to. No, not to that one. That one. I've got to get him into there. Can be done because I've just done it a while ago. I had a game crash, so restarted. Like that. Get him built. Make sure he gets in. Speed him up a bit. We don't need transport to you. Probably caused me a problem elsewhere. And we haven't connected there. Okay, I'm gonna take the easy way out. Hopefully. Come on, get out the... Okay, while he's messing about doing that, I want to... Come on. Right. Can I get you to go into that? There we go. That'll help get that down. And then we can increase our recycling. That could be improved there as well. Yeah, trouble I've got them being both coming out and going through one sorter there. Maybe put a sorter there and a sorter there. We'll do that later. Right, that's... I've done that wrong. I've done that wrong. No, no, it's okay. He's feeding and Yeah, I have done it wrong. I should... Okay, let me just... Got prior to in. So... He should have gone... If I'm understanding this correct... You go up one. No, that's wrong. Should have left it as he had it. I'm getting confused with the setup. Take that out. I don't need to do this because it is the only one that will take it. And of course I'm out of Unity again. So much for the other plans we've got for this episode. Come on. There we go. Right, you go into there. It shouldn't have made any difference because yeah, it should take priority over the ore. Right, we're just gonna let that feed through to these down here. Right, that's that done. Pipes we've done. Not pipes. We've done that bridge, which will help them there. That water we've done. How's that water over here? Helpful if we had the pipes connected. Not enough Unity. Okay, you're on priority. Right, while we're getting that done, we now... You shouldn't have trucks going to you. Trucks don't keep that full. No export routes, no trucks, that's on default. We haven't got an export. Oh, yes, we have. Yeah, because we want the sulfur going over to the other side. Right. Let's leave that because we're not going to get anywhere. Right, this we've got to do. So we're going to be making... Just refreshing myself. We are making electronics 3. And I don't want to block access to here. So I think we'll have electronics come out here. Feed into production here. And stored in that. We've got to make sure our trucks can get through. We will be able to get around that. Where is my electronics going out? There. No, that's electronics coming in. This is the one I want. And they're going a roundabout way, so that's one we've got to tie into. Got rubber I'm going to end up blocking. Right. You come to there for a minute. No, I'm not happy with that there. We're going to be... Yeah, we'll go for it like that. Alright, give me one of them a minute. Because he's got the menus on it. Right, so we want microchips, electronics, give us electronics 3 going out. So, well, what do we want? Oh, copper's going in there. There's them chips. You could run down the side of that into there. You're going to come out. I'm going to have one belt going one way and one belt going the other way. Let's get the belt sorted out. You're going to come in to there, so you can go on the bottom. Belts. Badly thought out, this flat. You are connecting to there when I'm ready. When we're ready, we're not... I don't need snapping, I want belt 2. You're going to come out of there. You can run right along there. How far, I don't know. And I've not connected them up yet. Then we'll have electronics coming off this line here. Which will be better. Taking the line off. Ooh, that needs a... For now, I'll take it from there. And again, I'm not going to connect him up. I want him following. That one. You're going to have to go under the bridge. Okay. We better do it on that side. Very badly thought out. And you go down to the bottom. Through there. And we want you there at height 1. You're going to run right down to there. And I want you, I'm going to put snapping on. I want him off the top belt. Down. Bottom belt. There, and then we can get that. Tucks him into there. Then we take the output. As long as the trucks can get through. I've left room in case I want to expand that. You're going to be electronics 3. Alright, we're just going to connect that up in a minute. Right, then I want to get these out. And it's all going to need replanning because it is a, like I've said, it's a complete mess. You've got to go into that line there. So you come up to height 2. Don't know why he's going what. Where's that line? There. A complete and utter mess. But at least... yes, a complete and utter mess. Right, let's get you all built where we can. And then we can move these, get rid of them. And we haven't connected him up there. Yeah, my lines are a complete mess, I don't mind admitting. Right, are we getting any unity? No, why? Right, how could we get more unity up? I do not want to reduce my fuel saver. Recycler did get us one. I'll speed our unity up a little bit. Population could have more food. No, that's quarantine. We can have more food, more... and that's a cost, so that can stay off for a bit. Right, the first thing I want to get built is that. Try and get these generators working. Oh, and I know what I've not done. I need salt increasing. Right. You're built. That little bit of pipe can come out. I'm hoping you will activate. Yeah, they're going. That'll give us more power. Salt, I need to transfer. We have got one truck doing it, and of course he's struggling for fuel. Why are we struggling for fuel all of a sudden? Like the last 2 or 3 episodes. %28 to pick up. Not good. I'm gonna have to send him out. Get the fuel in. Right, ship. Yeah, you're short. Everybody's short of fuel. What? Oh, you're de-start. Here's where I might not need that water coming in. I want the ship. World map. Right, if he's over there, getting that done, which is on pause. That's ready for us to use. What's that? 990. Ooh. 990. 990. That's no good. Not enough fuel. Okay, he's gonna come. Go home. Get refueled. We'll sort our fuel problem out. I thought I told you to. Well, why haven't you got... There you go. Don't want trucks going to you as we spot them. Yeah, low. Everybody's got low fuel. Right. This... Let's pause it. This is all connected. Right, so now we start deleting connections. You come out of there. Do it one little bit at a time. I'm going to do this. You will now go into there. Not enough unity again. There we go. Right, they're all flowing. We're going to let this line empty itself. Yeah, that line we're not connecting up. Right, I'm going to want more power, which is going to fluctuate in and out. So I want to copy. I'll sort the power out in a minute. I want to copy that. And you're going to go right there. Connect you into that one. unpause you. And you lot, I'm going to let him run them out. We don't need these now here. So that can come out there. You're not being used, so you can come out, you can come out, you can come out. That we're not needing. That can all come out. These we're not needing. I'll sort them out in a minute. I don't want to lose the goods in them. Right, a water pipe there can come out. That can come out, that can come out, that is not needed now. You're not feeding into that. I'm letting these run this out. Then that can come out once that runs down. And ours are running into the same feed, which will come through, give us more electronics. Right, we need another. We're getting a lot of our. We're getting 12 and we're using 3. So we need that doubling up. So you should go in there. And again, we just connect that one into there. How's my fuel coming back up? Can we? How much units have we got? 8. I don't think we'll get these built. Am I getting built? And if I have to increase the lines, I will. Power. And then power will come back in a minute. Hopefully. Why are you not? Yeah, we should. We're only using half our power, so why do we keep... I know why we keep fluctuating. Fuel. You got there to produce... Now, I have got some of these making fuel. But to be honest with you, I've completely lost track of what I'm doing under half of this. We don't need you there now. You've done your job. And we don't need them little bits there. And how's that? Ooh, still got a lot on that line. Right, how's that going through to our research though? It's not. Probably getting used wherever you're here. Yeah, you're full. I'm looking at the wrong ones here. Yeah, it's what are we short of? Paper. Paper's stopping everything. Paper's over here. I haven't blocked it, have I? Hang on, there's me paper. I might have blocked it. Nobody can get to him. Oh dear. Okay, okay, that's where the problem with the paper. It's the wood, not the paper, it's the wood. Take the easy fix. Urgent. There's the problem with the paper, so we don't need you on there. Don't need you on. You should go to this one. That's why we're not getting our research. And he's going to the ship, which is probably short of fuel. No, he's still loading up. Oh, fuel's coming up. Fuel is coming up. Right. Are you full? Right, you got fuel. What's that one? 6.10. Go and battle that one. Right, how we doing? Bad. I need to get... Yeah, there's the paper where he's going. And you know what? I don't know if we can get to that one. Yeah, I've put them right in the wrong place there. Okay, let's say we can't get to him. Copy that. Move him here. And we'll take that line. Well, you might as well get it finished now. Go around the back. Tie into there. We'll demolish that one. We'll get that built first. Get that built. Badly thought out, but I'm enjoying it. I need that for Unity. Oh, we'll be there in a minute for speed the game. Ship is in battle. .5, come on. Oh, 2. Right, let's go and see shipping battle. Is it that one? Let's clear all these. We don't need all these. The beacon can come off. I didn't. He is off. Well, oh, it could be me clicking through them. I could do with a housing upgrade. No housing available, but I want to get this going. Right, are we getting wood in there? The line is going. Do you know what? We've gone that far. Would it be worth putting a connection on there? Run a connection through. We need more wood. Probably. We've got 3,000 wood floating about somewhere. You lot, yeah, this is, I had a game crash when I started. And I had set that to be mined. And then we can get these mines filled in. Right, that one is being filled in slowly. You just need to mine that little bit. Could be that his output is full. And how's this recycling doing? Oh yeah, it's yeah, it's getting through. It's yeah, it's that there once it once it eases that lot out, it is going down. It is going down. Right, have we got that paper? Okay, you lot can be released for now. No, I need them going. Okay. They're using up my waste for me. Yeah, you can do that. We'll be mining here shortly. We've got rid of the water access to it. I'll come back to them. They're working on this area. Pipes. Now let's finish off what we... My power fluctuates too much. How's my reactors doing? They're both on. And I've got to sort that little bit out there. I'll do that offline. Yeah, these have no water. In fact, if they've no water, why leave them switched on? If you think about it, it saves power on unstable ground. We will be filling the hole in. I'll save a bit of power. And the same on... Okay, why are you fluctuating? What? Right, turn you off for a bit. We seem to have too much water in the system, so it won't harm them going off. Power, we should not be getting that power fluctuation. Yeah, it flicks on and off. So it's something... Right, I'm not going to let that fuel again. It's not worth sending out on 28%. Okay, what we'll do another quick trade. I need to look at my... It gives us a bit of fuel. We don't need you being supplied now. You're on a conveyor. Yeah, power is on and off, on and off. I need to get... How much have you got left to do? You still got a lot. They'll be there before we know it. Right, while that lot's messing about, are we getting the... Yeah, everything's going here. Here's where our power's coming from. Right, let's turn a couple of these off for a minute. Oh, these are power drain a little bit. And I need to sort my forestry out. We have got plenty being done. Right, let's get these pipes here. Let's get this sorted out. What I'm planning on here is a bridge. I'm going to put a big ramp in. Probably don't need a big ramp. And you've got one of you going to there. This one is going to here. So let's recover you for a minute. Even though you've got nothing to do, we can take that connection out there, move him to here. You're going to come down here. That is in the wrong place. I'm going to leave him there, but I'm also going to put another one I'm going to come down. I think I'm going to put another one here. And he's going back to where I pulled him from. Right, you are a level 3. And you are a loose. And I'm going to run you at the side of these others. And I'm going to be very close to them trucks. Okay, what if I fetch you? And then you go down to the base. Down to the base, not up. Through there. Up. Through. And you're tied in. I'm going to tie him in there for now. Yeah, trucks have access to there, they've access to this side. Get them built. Not enough unity, which is a bit strange. Oh, mind you, not surprising, 11 unity. I don't want the whole lot, I just want that. Right, you get built. 20 unity. Okay. Yeah, that should, and then we can start getting rid of this mess here. Yeah, and Can I give you something else to do? I'll tell you what you can do. Straighten that out for me there. A little bit close to that pipe. 10. Okay, we'll call that an episode. You know what I'm going to do here? I don't need that in. I do need to sort the trees out. I need to sort why this is... Now you're waiting... Why are you... Okay, let's change you to... It's probably that water we've shut off. He's going again. I don't think we're going to survive much longer. I want to get a rocket up though. Where are we working? We're working on watching this lot. How you... Right, let's backtrack this. See how much we've got left on that line. Right, you can come out. That is staying there, and he's going to continue. These we don't. I don't need that line in. Can I reverse you? And what we'll do, easiest way to empty them, save on Unity. Feed you back into there, save on Unity, and I go and spend it, but it'd be cheaper than trying to dismantle that lot with Unity. Yeah, 6.7. So that can come out, that'll empty that, which is feeding this lot. Yeah, of course, power goes out. And I do need to get into my food production. Getting quite a bit of meat there. You're waiting. Salt. That was the other thing we was looking at right at the beginning. Do I put a line from here? You're not connected. That won't help. Right, how much salt are we getting through? You're not full. He should be taking it up to the other one. I'm debating now, do I put a conveyor? And maybe a couple more of these. Or move these elsewhere. Because he's coming right over here. And these are producing here brine. We're quicker doing it from here. Into here. And there's a timer, but alright, that pipe's in. So that can come out. Oh, is that? Yeah, I know there's product on it. I am not worried about the product so much on that. And he's feeding this here, which is feeding that. Oh dear, I'm a bit of a mess with this game now. Where was that? There he is. So you finish that off. So we can finish taking that out. We'll take these others out when it's run. That one. We don't need you connected up. We could actually run. For how much plastic he's got in. Let me just. Take that out to there. Oh, the trucks are moving the plastic out. Let the trucks move that. That will let it empty itself. Gold. Feeding that one. I don't want to put a truck into there because we've trapped him in the middle. I will end the episode here, guys. We're in a mess. The game has gone completely wrong. I'm enjoying it. I need to sort wood out, power out, That is producing when it has power. Yeah, they are feeding in. I've got a mess right round here. How is that? That waste was going... Oh yeah, look at that. That has worked. Next episode. Food. And getting this building here going. And that's going to be fun. We've got the population for it. We just need to decide where we're putting the building. I'll do these pipes offline. You can see the route I'm taking. Through there, up here. Into here. Sort out the water feeder. The water feeder. Sorry, I just seen this here and I thought it was something I'd missed. No. Yeah. Yeah, I've got one sorting this feed out and one sorting that line out. That's why it's split. Okay, folks, I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching and bye for now. And I know it's very messy. I'll see you next time.